Aloha guys, this is Scuba Chris. What is the best accessory for surf casting? To me, really cannot beat these three-way swivels. These are rolling three-way swivels, right? What I prefer is the 2-aught with a 3-aught rated at 165 pounds. Now you can go for the cheapies. The cheapies are this ones. These are very, very cheapy. They're rivet style. I've had them pop on a small hammerhead. So let me just, let's see. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach this to some line here. And I'm gonna show you why you don't want to use that, because it's a very cheap form, inexpensive, but you're gonna lose your fish. Okay, that looks about right. Okay, so see right here. Now, if you want to go and catch dinner, you want to get that fat fish to bring home, man, you got to make sure that you bring them home so you can flex on them like this. That is the reason why you don't want to use those cheap stuff. Trust me. You know this cheapy style here? It's like a pinwheel. See how it's fairly straight? And it means that when you throw this out and you have, like, say, a longshore current or surge and you're going straight out to open ocean, if you got current moving back and forth strong, it's going to roll your rig over and this will get tangled into it. This is not a very good system, and the rivets prove it. I was able to snap that with no problem. Now if you use something like this is a 2-aught with a 3-aught rated at 165, you know, when you compare this to the wagon wheel style of this is the better unit, because not only is it stronger, but you see it's not straight like this, like the rivet style here, like a wheel. This will swivel back and forth 360. The other one won't do that. Now, when I attach my line to it, the main line coming from the rod will go into the larger swivel on this right over here, and you know you're gonna have this smaller one dropping down, so it goes here. Your weight, okay, meaning your lead line, is on the smaller swivel coming down here, and your leader is continue on from here. See, this main leader here is your main strength. It's the larger out of the two, so you're gonna have your line coming here from your rod, and you're gonna have your leader line coming off of it. And on the smaller one here, you're gonna have your lead line coming off. So say, for example, you're going with 50-pound test main line. You wanna go either to 20 to 30 pound, roughly 50% of that for your lead line, because if it gets caught, you want this to snap. And the leader line is whatever you prefer. You know, I prefer buying these by the hundreds. There's probably about another 30 left in there, but I buy them myself a bag by the hundreds. The reason why I do this is because I meet a lot of people that I don't know, but they know me at the beach, and they ask me about this, and I'll give them some, and you know, they end up liking this and they order it. A lot of our local tackle shops here carry it here and there, but I prefer to get them. There's some mainland dealers, US mainland dealers, that I prefer to get them from. They're cheaper from China. I've gotten some of theirs, and it's okay. I never had one break yet. But when it comes to size, I prefer this size right here. This is 3-aught with the 2-aught. 3-aught means 3/0. So I prefer this size. Is rated for 165 pounds. Now you can go 4-aught with a 3-aught, which is a lot stronger, but the units could be a bit bigger. And another thing I like about this, these are brass. Okay, it's made out of brass, but it's nickel coated. It's black nickel coated. So it's not going to be very shiny in the water. I prefer this. The fish won't be attracted to that. That's it. That's what I prefer. A lot of people ask me. I gave some information here and there on my videos, but this is in depth. This is what I use. This is what I prefer. Give it a try. I've been using this for a long time, and it's worked. Hey, thank you.